It's easy to build and came out, I think, looking really good.
Would I do it again? Absolutely. I have some more projects that I'm going to do using GenStone. I'm quite happy with it.
Turned out real well. Very happy. Good guys to work with. Wife likes it.
Was delivered timely, and it was very easy to install.
Real happy with it. Easy, very easy install. Took about 2 hours.
We really liked the GenStone and how it turned out. It took us a little over 1 day to take care of it.
Everybody thinks it's real stone.
A lot of customers come in, they comment, they really like the look. This kind of pops, it makes the windows pop, makes the signage pop.
It's a great product. I enjoyed working with it. And if I had to do it all over again, I would use them again.